Hi, I am Kafri. This channel is about hula hooping. One of my favorite tutorials are the ones that are requested by my viewers, but the second part are the ones of the tricks that I have invented on my own while flowing with my hoops, okay? And this is exactly the one, the hand twists in weaves. So grab your hoop and let's give it a go. I'm going to show you some of them. Now, what I say might seem a little surprising, but in this tutorial, more than teaching you the exact way how I do the trick, I would like to implement this idea in your imagination that you can search on your own for these combinations in weaves, but also in hand spins or any other hand manipulation tricks, okay? So the twists of your arm, the twists of your wrist, the twist of your arm, they can serve a lot of combinations. I will show you one or two of them in this tutorial, and I encourage you to go on with the topic. Okay, so grab your hoop. Please warm up your wrists because we will work a lot with them. So if you need to pause this video, do it. And whenever you're ready, let's go back and let's go with the weave. So when I'm in my forwards weave, I have encountered few combinations how to, play in here with the hand twist. So the first one will be when I go behind me, I do like 1, 2, 3 rotations, go to the front and exit into this below the elbow weave. So it's like another form of weave. If you don't know this one, take a closer look. So I'm moving the hoop below my shoulder, below my arm, okay? When I'm in the back and when I'm in the front, I'm also holding it in a specific way, like this, hop, 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 okay? When I want to go back to the normal weave, the easiest way will be to do the hand twist up in here, just one rotation, and enter the weave again, okay? So behind my back, front, and let's go back, twist, okay? Also, when you are already here in the forwards weave, you can simply do the twists of your hand. It is always important to think of the directions in all this. So when I do this lower twist, I go to the inside, like I twist the hoop towards the inside or towards the front, okay? And then I exit from here. The twist to go back will be towards the front or towards the outside, okay? Now, if I'm in the weave and I just simply want to produce a twist here, up, it will be a twist with this edge towards the front, hop, and go back to the weave. It is also possible when the hoop is on the same side that the hand that is holding it, okay? So here we were like on the opposite side doing the twist, but you can also go from here, twist, and go back, okay? You always go back on the same side. So I'm basically twisting the hand up and going back into the weave. The twist in here will be 1, 2 rotations, okay? Up, 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 and below, up, go back, up. Okay? So play around with this. Of course, you can produce all these combinations with both of your hands, so I encourage you to go forward. I will do no more explanation. It's more like planting the idea and let's see what comes out of this. Maybe you want to share the results of your research on the social media. Remember to tag me, Kafri TV. I also have an Instagram and TikTok and Facebook account. I'm like everywhere. So if you want to share your creativity, we can, kind of online jam together, okay, on this topic. Also, if you want to help me to continue with this channel, hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, leave some sign of your presence here. So I see you in the next tutorial.